looking for is you want to make sure there's no gap here between the rail and the frame. So you're looking here for tightness. So you're sitting right against the rail and you're looking for distance away. So make sure everything's tight before you rock the channel.
Right here. So you always want to check to make sure.
Costa is sure keeping your videos. Here as well. And then I'm gonna put the other one. Because if you do one, it's gonna make it harder for you to make the adjustment again. And just, you know, they're good enough that I'm checking my progress as I press. And then with this guy, then you press this when you press it off up there. Checking. I'm going to use the tall one. Let's go ahead and give it a final squeeze in there. And you feel it?